Welcome back, viewers. I want to show you a little bit of the progress we got going today. Pressing our new upper control arm bushings in our Dana 30. Got tagged, of course. Dana 30 is almost ready. Oh yeah. Also, we were able to press out the studs using the ball joint press. Use the ball joint press on these guys too. You see, let's show you the real work that we were doing today. What the heck is this, you're saying to yourself? This is our dual battery tray. Just got done welding it up. It consists of two battery trays for a 76 Chevy Nova. Yeah, weird, isn't it? More GM parts. But it's not just these battery trays, these sheet metal ones. What we have, we have fabricated a 3/4 by 3/4 by 1/8" angle iron framework around it. Welded all up around. Not fully. Doesn't need to be fully. Just need a real good solid base for these guys. Now, I have to get some thinner on that and take that stupid label off. Maybe throwing a little bit of galvanizing down on the. Whoo, man, this wind. Let me see if I can. How's that? Keep you in the. Block the wind from you. Reason why we want a framework is because I keep saying the batteries are going back here. This is the passenger's rear floor. You see there's been some patching done. We have new floor pans. All this here is all built up, beefed up. Our batteries will be going here. Now, the floor is sloped here, so our framework will be welded solidly to the floor back here, and we'll have standoffs down here. Now, thank you, Mother Nature, for supplying us with enough background noise. Make it quick. That's about how much of a standoff we're going to need to get these batteries somewhat level. I chose these because I knew they had this little area here that grips the base of the battery, and the hold down clamp that does the same. I looked at all aftermarket stuff, and I did not like the way they were mounted. The hold downs were mounted. The batteries that will be going in here, two of them, will also be from a 76 Chevy Nova, because they have, let's see if I am correct, close to 850 cold cranking amps. They will be side post. They will most likely be facing probably in that direction. And that will allow for a shorter floor here without making contact with the top of the battery posts. They'll be on the side. So, thought I'd show you our progress here. Let me show you some of the other progress we made under the hood. Oh. Get the coffee out of the way. That's good. The other things that we have got done is we patched that hole where the battery tray used to be. There's an 1/8", two pieces of 1/8", and a piece of I believe it's a 20 gauge across the back there. The welds don't look the greatest because I was having a lot of blowouts and it just wasn't having it that day. But the welds suffice. As you can see, being able to remove your doors does help. I have all this room here now. I can get to these batteries, get to the battery trays, do all the welding I need, all the prep work, everything I need to do in here, without this stupid door here. So, while I'm here, we got a couple minutes. Let me show you what you have to do to the Cherokee hinges to allow removal of the doors. Easy on and off. Now, as you can see here, that pin sticking out. Normally, this upper portion of the hinge would come all the way over here and support this bottom of the pin. You need to cut here. You know what? Let me show you on the door that's off. Alright, door, come on, roll. Okay. Now, you can see on here, because of this stupid cup they have around here, I don't know why they have it on there, you have to cut through the hinge and this piece of steel and knock this chunk off. It is a lot of work if you cannot get your bolts undone to undo your hinges. You will be working inside the door jamb with very little room, a Dremel tool, and a ton of cut-off wheels. I can tell you this right now, this model, this specific Cherokee, there is no left or right hinges. Meaning, from factory, this pin is pressed in this way. There are flutes inside here to hold the pin in place, which makes easy when you cut this off and you knock this piece out. On the other side, well, that's not the case, because Jeep, in their infinite wisdom, use the same hinge over here. They just flipped it over. So this pin, I need to be corrected here. I need to be corrected. This side is the one where the pin is pressed into the top and the bottom part comes out easy. The other side over there is the one that's upside down. You actually have to hammer the pin out with your slug from your hinge. As you can see, our bare bones electrical system is almost ready to go back into play. We have to trim down some of this stuff. Hey! Now, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Don't sneak up on me like that. All right? You'll have your time in the camera. All right? We'll call it a day here. Guy's fender's sitting back on. So we're gonna call this the end of the video because my back is killing me and my eyes are kind of crossed from all the welding. So I'm Mike. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by, seeing what we're up to. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, like the video. If you like to keep up with what we're doing around here now that we're actually doing some fabrication on TrailRig, click the subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the notification icon, the little bell there, to have an email sent to you every time when I post new content. If you have anything to say, please, doesn't matter, good, bad, otherwise, we like to hear all kinds of feedback, so feel free to comment. So, for everyday off-road, where'd he go? Where'd he go? It's over there. For everyday off-road, I'm Mike. Catch you guys later.